The top 10 highest rainfalls in the world. Number 10. Brown Hills rainfall in New Zealand. Height is 836 meter. Number 9. James Ross Falls in Canada. Height is 840 meters. Number 8. Pu'ukaʻuku Falls in United States. Height is 840 meters. Number 7. Valaifossen in Norway. Height is 850 meters. Number 6. Fenifjorden in Norway. Height is 860 meters. Number 5. Yamvilla Falls in Peru. Height is 896 meters. Number 4. Olapna Falls in United States. Height is 900 meters. Number 3. Cataratas Ies Tres Hermanas in Peru. Height is 914 meters. Number 2. Tugela Falls in South Africa. Height is 948 meters. Number 1. Angel Falls in Venezuela, South America. Height is 979 meters. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.